From a biological standpoint, yawning makes absolutely no sense. And yet, the human body makes your eyes water like you're about to cry, just from inhaling a breath of air. But here's the weird part, you're not sad or emotional. So why does your body do this every single time? Most people think yawning is just about being tired, but that's not actually what's happening. And the reason your eyes water has nothing to do with emotions at all. When you yawn, your mouth stretches wide open, your face tightens, and the muscles around your eyes contract. That pressure hits something called your tear glands. And for a moment, your body literally squeezes out tears. But it doesn't stop there. Yawning also forces a deep inhale, pulling in a sudden rush of air. That changes the pressure inside your head, especially around your sinuses. And that shift pushes even more fluid toward your eyes. So what feels like crying is actually just a physical side effect of your body resetting itself. But that still leaves a bigger question. Why do we yawn at all? And this is where it gets interesting, because scientists still don't fully agree. There isn't one clear answer. There are multiple theories, and each one explains a different part of the puzzle. One of the strongest ideas is that yawning helps cool your brain. When you're tired, stressed, or losing focus, your brain temperature can actually rise slightly, and yawning acts like a reset. That deep breath brings in cooler air. The stretch increases blood flow, and together it helps regulate your brain so you can stay alert. But that's only one piece of it, because yawning didn't just appear randomly. It's been around for millions of years, long before modern humans existed, which means it likely served a purpose. Some researchers believe yawning played a role in early human survival. Back when we lived in groups, being alert at the same time mattered. If one person became tired or less aware, that could put everyone at risk. So yawning may have acted as a signal, a way of syncing the group's state, bringing everyone back to attention at the exact moment it was needed. And there's something that supports this idea. Yawning is contagious. You've probably felt it just watching someone else yawn, or even hearing about it, or possibly even watching this video. That reaction isn't random. It's linked to parts of your brain involved in empathy and social awareness, meaning your brain is automatically mirroring the state of others, without you choosing to. But here's what makes this even more interesting. Not everyone is equally affected. Studies have shown that people who score higher in empathy are more likely to catch a yawn, while others barely react at all, which suggests this behaviour isn't just biological, it's also neurological and social. And animals show it too. Not just humans, but primates, dogs, even some birds. Which reinforces the idea that this behaviour is ancient, something that helped groups stay aligned, long before we understood what was happening. So when you put it all together, that simple moment where you yawn and your eyes start to water isn't random at all. It's the result of multiple systems working at once. And something that feels as simple as being tired turns out to be one of the most complex automatic behaviours your body has. Most people never question it. But once you see what's actually going on, it's hard to look at something as simple as a yawn the same way again. If you're fascinated by why our bodies do weird things, you need to see what happens to your brain during a coma.